We love travelling around our great state, armed with our favourite gear to capture all those unbelievable landscapes and awesome moments that Western Australia has to offer.
And you know me, Howard, I always love a new accessory for the camera bag, especially filter sets. This one from Nissi is the Nissi JetMag Pro Landscape ND Filter Kit. That's a lot of words, but we need to take a lot of pictures, especially in the great outdoors of WA.
JetMag's system is designed to help you control light and motion, even on the brightest days. Whether you're shooting a flowing waterfall, a glowing sunset, or a cloud-filled sky, these filters give you creative control with just a click.
WA light can be intense, really intense. These neutral density filters reduce the amount of light hitting your lens, so you can use longer shutter speeds or wider apertures in full sun without blowing out your shots.
The Nissi JetMag ND filters are crafted from precision optical glass to give sharp, true-to-life results.
Each filter is multi-coated to minimise flare and ghosting and reflections, giving stunning detail in all optical lighting conditions.
And when you're shooting outdoors, durability matters. These filters are coated to resist water, oil and scratches, making them reliable in just about any environment WA can throw at you.
They're ideal for dynamic movement like silky waterfalls, flowing clouds and ocean motion.
Or even for getting shallow depth of field during bright daylight hours.
And the best of all, the Nissi JetMag Pro filters maintain accurate neutral colour tones. No strange tints or colour shifts, just clean, consistent results straight out of the camera.
That kind of reliability means less time in post and more time creating.
The Nissi JetMag Pro ND Filter Kit gives you the tools to push your creativity in any condition.
At Camera Electronic, we love photography.